Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the ULTIMEA Nova S80 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos Soundbar, a home theater system designed to deliver immersive audio and cinematic sound quality for your TV setup. This soundbar features upward firing drivers and an 8 inches wireless subwoofer, creating a true 5.1.2 surround sound experience with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Dolby Atmos support ensures sound moves around you for a lifelike, three-dimensional audio environment. The Nova S80 is compatible with 4K HDR TVs, enhancing both movie and gaming experiences with precise, immersive sound. Its upgraded 2025 speakers provide improved clarity and power, filling your room with rich, cinematic audio without the need for multiple external speakers. Easy to set up and connect, it pairs seamlessly with TVs, streaming devices, and gaming consoles via HDMI or Bluetooth. Compact yet powerful, this soundbar is perfect for creating a home theater experience in any living space. If you're looking for a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos soundbar with a wireless subwoofer, upward firing drivers, and immersive home theater audio, the ULTIMEA Nova S80 is an excellent choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you,